Let's share French King's Cake Galette des Rois. Who will have the chance to find the fève when be crowned queen or king? For whom is this piece of cake?
It is for my sister.
Here are the ingredients for 6 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. To make some homemade puff pastries, you can watch my video. To prepare the pastry cream, heat the milk over low heat. Meanwhile, put in a mixing bowl the egg, the sugar, whip together. Add the flour and mix again. The milk begins to boil, cut the fire. Pour it into the bowl while stirring. Return the mixing in the saucepan. Stir it for about 1 minute and a half on low heat. It must thicken but remain creamy like this. Pour the cream on cling film. Wrap it up and let it sit for 1 hour. Now we prepare the almond cream. Mix 2 egg yolks with the sugar. Pour the melted butter. Add the ground almonds. Then the rum. Put the pastry cream in another bowl. Whip it and mix it to the almond cream. The frangipane cream is ready. Put it in a piping bag. To make an egg wash, mix 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of water. Put the first pastry on the oven tray. Brush the edge with the egg wash. Spread the frangipane cream. Hide a fève. Put over the second puff pastry. Press the contour to unclose the frangipane. To properly close the cake, score the edge of the galets with a knife in one direction and cross in the other one. Brush a layer of egg wash on the surface. Put the galette in the fridge for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Brush another layer of egg wash. Decorate the gallets with the tip of a knife. Make some small holes on the edge of the galette. Bake it for 45 minutes. To make it shiny and keep it crispy, brush a thin layer of maple syrup. For whom is this piece of cake?
It is for me.